Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 17th, Friday, so ending the week. Today was, had some good trades, had some bad trades. Sometimes the market was choppy, sometimes it wasn't. But, anyways, I'll go over my trades. So for the day, I'm actually up, ending the day with $2.80. Okay, I know that's enough for me to get, a small cup of soda somewhere. But either way, it's a green day. And So I want to go over FRSX and MDGS. So let's go with those two first. So MDGS is right here. So let's go ahead and go back and show you what I was thinking. Um, so this stock, I was looking, for this to break the VWAP area, so it didn't. So I took a little bit of loss there. So this one I lost on, and then the other one was FRSX. FRSX. Let's put it in here. This one was a little bit whippy as well, and let me show you what I was doing on this stock. This one, same. I was, looking for a push up from this area right here, um, and it didn't happen. But I think initially I actually had got in from here, from this point right here at 182, because as you see, pre-market it's the same resistance. So I got in 182, and I think I sold some on the way up, but when it came back down, I thought this might curl up, so I didn't sell it. So that's why I took a little bit lost on that. So the next stock I want to show you was MVIS. So by the time I had, a few red trades on those two stocks, I was actually down like 150 bucks, 180 bucks. But this stock, MVIS, I had got in at 298 for the break of 3, because you can see that's resistance in the pre-market and also around intraday as well. So when I got in for the break of 3, I had sold 250 shares on the way up, and I should have sold some on the top right here, but then I didn't, and I kept on holding it, thinking, it's gonna go back up from here, but then it didn't. So even then, I broke even on the rest of the trades here. So at that point, I was only down $75. But you can see clearly this was the resistance point at 298, and $3 is the whole dollar psychological level as well. So I should have sold some, got out of my positions from 3 to 340. That would have been a good run. But at the point, I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I had some other thoughts in mind or whatever the case was. Because I was thinking if we went up this far, there's a chance we can go up even higher, because on the daily, I mapped out the resistance level. This could have went up to 375 and 420. So that's was my goal, but that didn't happen. But I still should have took more profit along the way. I took some, but I should have took more along the way. But it's all good. No biggie. So that was that, right? And right now, as you can see, it recovered VWAP, and if I would have got in, I would have got in for the break of this point right here, because as you can clearly see, there's resistance right here, 294. Getting in 294, and then VWAP is the next, and then for the push up. So some decent money over there, but I didn't take that trade. And the trade that actually took me out of my loss, and I was positive a few dollars on the day, was actually this stock right here, CKPT. CKPT. Let me pull that up. Do I have it here? Oh yeah, right here. So CKPT, I had gotten for the break of the VWAP, reclaiming the VWAP. So I got in around 240, 239, 240, that area, right? So I got in there because I know at the next resistance is 245, which is this area right here. So once we got 245, I sold some, and then I sold some on the top, which was around like 256, and I sold my rest at 260, 259. And here I can even show you. I think it was 259 to. So I can show you exactly my last Oh, sorry. Last was yeah. So I sold 150 at 258, and my remaining 100 I sold at 245 because I was seeing weakness. So yeah, my best was 258 selling, and the remaining 100 at 245. So that was the stock that actually took me out of the red, and I'm up, a few dollars on the day. Fridays are usually like this. It's a hit or a miss. So that's why you have to be extra cautious. And yeah, just stick to your plan. That's the best thing. Other than that, hopefully you guys are also green. And, you know, next week is a new week. So we'll see what happens there. Other than that, please, guys, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Most of you guys are watching are not subscribing. So please subscribe. That will help out the channel a lot. Other than that, I will see you guys Monday.